To find Uniswap v2 router ABI, open your browser and go to etherscan.io. Once you're in there, in the search bar at the top of the Etherscan homepage, enter the following Uniswap v2 router contract address. Click the first suggestion that will be shown. In here, you will see the overview, the information, and the multi-chain information. You can see here the details about the contract, including transactions and analytics. To go to the contract tab, just click the contract section. In here, you can see all the contract source code. To find the contract ABI section, you'll see the ABI displayed in JSON format. Once you found it, you can copy it directly from there. And that's how you find Uniswap v2 router ABI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.